Typical Florida heat. Can you guess what the temperature is going to be today? Let's see. It's really, really hot outside. But let's try to see what the temperature is today. It's probably 90 something. I mean, if it's not, it feels like 90 because of the humidity. It's so humid outside. Right here. What did I tell you? 89, 90 degrees, man. Woo! It is hot. Let's jump into the video, baby. Hey guys, Professor Mike here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we're doing a video on the top best mods that you can do for your truck that's under $100. I know modifications get very expensive for your trucks and cars, so today I'm doing a little budget build on things you can still do to your truck and still things you can do to your car to make it unique, make it stand out, and make it your own for just $100. So stay tuned, let's jump right into the video. Alright, so starting from the front, if I go ahead and unlock the truck right here, you will see that these lights in the middle of the grill are the Raptor style STX OEM grill lights, and these run you $89 on Amazon, and they give the truck an awesome look. It almost looks like I said, the Raptor. You know, the Raptor has 3. I feel like the 4 lights in the middle is just so much cooler than the 3 lights. Could be me. Leave a comment down below what you guys think. But that's $89 on Amazon. Everything that I mentioned here is a link in the description that you can buy on Amazon as well. These are the mods that I got, and you can buy them as well, and link in the description. Going into the emblem right here, this is actually the OEM emblem, but I just go ahead and painted it or plasti dipped a gloss black with a glossifier on top. I did this, and I also did the one in the back as well, and that was like 10 bucks, 15 bucks, super quick. You can do it yourself. I have a video on that. You can just mask it off and then go ahead and spray it. If you don't like it, peel it off. It's not permanent, but it was a blue, now it turned into a black, which I think looks so cool since the whole truck is black, and just having the black emblems in the front was super sick. Next one we're gonna talk about is the fog lights right here. These are $56 off Amazon. Now these look exactly like the Morimoto fog lights, which are $220, and they perform the same. Don't spend the money on the Morimotos. Get the Amazon ones right here, and on this side too. Get the Amazon's ones. They're only 56 bucks. And I've seen people run for 2 years straight and have no problems with them. Next ones we can talk about are badges here. Now this is the actually OEM badge, but I've seen people change it out, get the black badges. I've seen people change it out, get the red badges, anything like that. There's one in the back as well that you can do, but this right here probably runs like $35. Mirror caps, this running like $35 on Amazon only, because if you go ahead and try to buy these and then go ahead and get them painted, they're gonna be over $100, but you can buy them pre-painted on Amazon for less than $100. If you have door handle covers, those are like 50 bucks, 60 bucks. And I also did the B-pillar trim right here, but if you have an XLT, you won't have to worry about that, and the door handles. But these are only found on the Lariats, these mirror caps, and these are all less than 100 bucks. So that, and that less than $100. All right, so going into the next mod right here is the bullet antenna. This is $30 on Amazon. I think it's one of the coolest mods that I have done to the truck so far. Before it was like that factory 2-foot antenna, which looks so stupid. So just having this bullet antenna right here is awesome. The reception is still great. I still get every single channel that I was getting before, or every single radio station I got before. So don't worry about losing connection or anything like that, losing reception, because that's not true. Another mod that you can do is LED bulbs. Now, I'm not talking about the housing right here. I'm talking about the actual bulb, which is right here and right here. Now in your stock housing, you can actually change out those halogen bulbs and get some LEDs. Now the LEDs will probably run you, I don't know, 50 bucks, something like that. And you can change out those stupid orange, ugly looking bulbs and get some crystal white LEDs. Now this is the front ones. We can actually run to the back real quick, and keeping the same thing with LEDs, we have cargo lights right there that I changed out LEDs as well, and the third brake light. And you can also change out the map lights right here. So if I unlock it, you will see that they are crystal white LED. That used to be an orange bulb, so you can change that out. You can also go to your tail lights right here, change out the third brake light, and change out the not the third brake light, I'm sorry, change out the reverse light, and then the bulbs right here. If you do change out these bulbs, just know that you will need a resistor kit, because if not, you will get hyper flash. You can change out the reverse light for LED bulbs, and you will not get the hyper flash. Going to the side, if you have any stickers or anything like that, you can just take them off. If you want, you can change them out. Instead of a red color, I got like a nice silver color. It's like $25 on Amazon. It was super easy to install. I just ripped the old ones off. And what usually you can do is you can get a heat gun and then heat it up, but since I live in Florida, it's always 100 degrees outside, so I didn't need a heat gun. I was able to just peel it off right away. It was super easy, and then I was able to put those right on top. Going into the inside, I do have LED lights on the bottom. These are the Go V or the Go EV or something like that, LED bulbs or LED interior lighting, and I have a video on that. That was $25 on Amazon. This is the control box. It actually runs up into my center console where it's powered, and they're under these seats right here, and they're also under the driver's side and the passenger side. Coming into the inside right here, I actually don't have this, but I'm about to get them. You can also get little dust mats for all the grooves and crevices in the truck, like the cup holders and this storage container, and then inside the door right here, so you can actually get different mats to put in to make it look unique. You can get the one up here, the one under there, and there, those down there. You can get the ones in this cup holder. So there's actually no mats anywhere. I don't know why, just the truck didn't come with those, but you can also order those for super cheap on Amazon and get the whole kit for everything. I don't have these, which also you can get some knob covers right here. So there's just knobs, little covers that go around every single knob that you have. It's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then you can get them for the window locks and things like that. Also something that you can do. Not like something that I don't have, but I could definitely get it, and it's definitely under $100 for sure. So there you guys go. That's everything for today, folks. That's a quick video on just super cool mods that you can do to your truck for less than $100. Like I said, trucks can get very expensive, and we all can be on a budget sometimes and don't feel like spending thousands of dollars. So $100 mods, I just named like pretty much like 10 of those things that you can do and customize your truck and make it towards your liking. I would include the floor mats, but they're a little over 100, and the window tints a little over 100, so I didn't include those. But if you want to spend a couple bucks more, I think the floor mats were like 120 or something like that. Link in the description for everything that's done to the truck. Because they're wondering how to make a little extra money and investing and start investing to do some truck mods and like have your portfolio grow for you passively. I do have links in the description that are affiliate links for Robinhood, M1 Finance, and Coinbase. So if you do sign up with those, you will get like $10 free Bitcoin or free stock or $30 towards your contribution. So super cool incentives to start investing and to take over and be financially free and be financially stable when you retire, or maybe retire early, anything like that. So if you guys have any questions, leave a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys and list some mods that you know and that you do to your truck that I missed today. And we'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.